Do you ever wish that you had all the information you needed right at your fingertips? Procurement, finance, inventory management, manufacturing, CRM, and documentation equals your company. Frankly put, you deserve an ERP system that never disappoints. One that can handle all tasks in one system. One that ensures automatic and continuous upgrades, free of bugs and noticeable maintenance time. That allows you to grow your business without worrying about the capacity of your system. Your company deserves RamBase Real Cloud. Why? Well, first of all, we have a 99.9% uptime, which means that we never take our system offline while implementing upgrades and maintenance. RamBase implements system upgrades every single day continuously. We ensure both physical and logical security of your data. There are no hidden costs, and no longer will you have expensive upgrades. We were born in the cloud, which means that technical installation work and big upgrade projects don't exist in our everyday. There's a big difference between being born in the cloud and being an on-premise solution. We are always on. RamBase, the right information to the right person at the right time.